Easy now, easy. Keep him moving toward the gate. Copy that, maintaining the line. The water flow sensors are reading optimally. Good. Keep an eye on the intake valves over there.
Heart rate is strong and steady. Lungs are clear.
Confirmed. Data inputted. The next one is ready for inspection.
Keep them moving steady now.
All right, the gate is clear. Bring them through. Make sure the edges are aligned perfectly on table 3. Yes, aligning now. How does the texture look here? Seems perfect. Let's move it to cleaning.
The color coverage is perfect. Yes, this meets the premium standard. Send it to cutting.